The paint's peeling off from efflorescence, so excessive moisture over here in this area. And the moisture goes down into the soil, gets underneath the paint, peels it off, attacks the rebar, causes the rebar to oxidize, expand up to 5 times its diameter. So it's fractured over here. And that's approximately 5 feet right there. A few more fractures in that corner. This area, the fracture seems to go to here and follows the bottom of the paint in this area. This would all have to be broken out. That's going to be pretty severe. Looks like somebody has attempted to patch this before and failed. That's what usually happens. Patchwork doesn't stay on because it's not done correctly. Yeah, this is a corner, probably a corner strap. And the horizontal fracture continues. It probably goes on a little bit further. May stop over here. Anytime you see paint curling like that, means there's excessive moisture in this area. The rainwater comes off of the roof, lands here, it's not landscaped correctly, and spends too much time hanging out next to the foundation. And eventually peels off the paint or goes below the paint line and attacks the rebar. And continues almost the entire length of the house. This looks good. Again, rainwater comes off, lands here. Doesn't really have anywhere to go. The paint is curling. But as far as horizontal fractures, this side is probably the least affected. It does have a little bit more slope than the other side. For more information, go to concreterepairman.com.